10 dead spins incoming. We will need some fans and many more of those. Not yet, no. Come on. Don't be a 4-scatter curse. Drop it now. No fans yet. Dirty. There we go. At least we get a crack at the third little area. That's going to hit as well. Four spins at glory. 6 spins at glory. Yeah, just like that game. Where are the fans though? Fucking hell. Oh, there we go. I mean, probably not that one, but don't I know it? It's been a little bit harsh with these. Don't even know which one I would want. Not that one. Hearts. Surely we need hearts, probably. That's alright. Down the bottom anyway. Oh, we got 2. Oh, wait a minute. Hearts! Hearts would have been fucking max win. That's gonna help. I don't know how much though. It didn't connect on the top right. Okay. Fuck you, Laura Goff. We'll take that. Okay, I'm happy with that one. More fans. Still could have been better, of course, but that's gonna go there.
Real talk. If you don't like this stream, unfollow.
Exactly.
Fuck you. Fuck your mother. Just unfollow it. I don't want you here.
Still 2 spins left somehow. Last one. That's gonna hit there. Man, I don't know which one. That's nasty. It dicked us on the first screen there for sure. I suppose I can't complain too much though. We will take that. 55 something. 55.80 I think. And we are definitely back in the game. We'll give Curl the credit for that one because she turned up and resubbed right on time.